Hi my friends, in the previous episode I gave an example of how an empty mind is filled up with thoughts which are not relevant. Right? Let us take the next step. We own two factories. All of us are owners of two factories. Our brain is a chemical factory and our mind is a thought factory. In a chemical factory, what do you see? Chemicals produced. Let's say that you want to set up a factory for oxygen or an hydrochloric acid, a sulfuric acid or acetic acid. You put up a plant and you produce that acid. And the more pure that product is, the more is going to be the prosperity of that unit. In our brain, it is not only one chemical which is produced, umpteen number of chemicals are produced. Maybe later on in these series of episodes, I will also discuss the relevance of brain chemicals to our day-to-day life. The other factory that we have is what is called a thought factory. Like in a chemical factory, you should be conscious about what is that chemical which you want to produce. And anything other than that chemical is not functional. Similarly, in our mind, thoughts are produced. Our attention is besieged by various information. Someone has calculated, researched that on an average, in a day, 6,200 odd thoughts cross our mind. 6,200 thoughts. As I am giving this talk to you, are you conscious about what thoughts are crossing your mind? If you divide your day into 8 and 8, 8 hours of sleep, 8 hours of work, and 8 hours of development. So while you are sleeping, you don't control your thoughts. But the balance 16 hours, you should be conscious about the thoughts. So if you divide 6,200 by 16, 387 thoughts per hour, which means 7 thoughts per minute. Now I have spoken for about 4 minutes so far in this episode. That means in these 4 minutes, if you have not been attentive to what I have been telling, 28 other thoughts would have entered your mind. So in order to train our mind so that it is filled with only one thought, we have to take efforts. This is what I call as mindfulness training. So mindful training. In my seminars, I used to ask people, do they know the quality of their thoughts in their mind? What thoughts enter their mind? What thoughts exit their mind? Do they control the content of their mind? This is very, very important for mindfulness training. In the next episode, we are going to discuss how disturbed our mind is, how distracted our mind is. See you in the next episode. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. All the best.